Look at that one. You got one now too. I told you there's probably more in that hole.
Let's do it.
Didn't I tell you to shovel all the stuff out the way?
I'm going to put this right here. Yeah.
Just put it above the thing to see if there's anything in it. Nope. You feel the bedrock, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you know what we do have in the... We have the pinpointer, I think. Oh, no, where was it?
I don't know if you should have it, though. Because I know the battery...
Might be in the backpack somewhere. I gotta fucking tighten this. This thing is pissing me off. There it is.
Nugget.
There it is. Can I put it over? Nugget, guys. That's what we were looking for.
Try to go back down and see. All right, next one is mine.
Next one doing.
Is there anything in there? Hold on. Let me show you get a hit. Let's show you get a hit.
Yep, there's more hits.
All right.
There's loaded with nuggets.
Bro,
in this
I wonder
spot.
how many other nuggets I did.
Look at these guys. Hold on, can they see it?
You should be able to.
Look at that nugget, guys. This spot is... All right, guys, doing a quick video on the way out. Here's my nuggets. Here's Anwar's nuggets. Total 7 nuggets today. Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. We killing it. Look at these nuggies. Man. Man, oh, man. Let's go ahead and see how much gold we got total today. About 6.6 for that one. And we got a total of 10.4 grams.